Welcome to WizzKidz TV. We're going to build a backyard today. Look how much things we have. Are you ready to build with me? Let's begin. We have a tree. Let's put it over here. We have an outdoor table. Let's move things to the side so we can start building. A barbecue. Let's put the barbecue here. I wonder what this is. A swing set. Let's leave it here. Let's put the table in the middle and the bench to sit. We have another bench. We'll put it on the other side. Let's spin the table. We'll put this plant in the middle of the table. We have a lawnmower. Let's put the lawnmower over here. A garbage bin. We have an esky. And some bottles. Let's put the bottles in the esky. Glasses or cups. We'll put on the table. This is a workbench. We'll put it here. Let's move the bin on the side and move the barbecue and put the workbench next to it. We have some tools. A hammer. Another hammer. And a wrench. Let's put the esky next to the barbecue. We have a pool chair. Let's move the table to the side. And then we're going to put the swimming pool here. We found another bottle. We'll put it in the esky. This is the lid for the esky. Let's put the chair next to the pool. We have a floaty. And we have another workbench we'll leave over here, next to the other workbench. Let's put the swing far back. And the tree, we'll leave the lawnmower here, and we'll put the garbage bin over here for when we have rubbish to throw away. Thank you so much for building my backyard with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.